Cast iron pipes are known for their durability, but without proper care, they can suffer from premature rusting, leaks, and failing supports. These issues not only compromise building safety but also pose significant health and hygiene risks. To ensure long-lasting performance, all cast iron pipes must meet recognized British standards, including BS 416, BSEN 877 for smaller pipes, and BS 437 or BS 4622 for larger underground systems. International equivalents can also be accepted if they offer similar levels of protection. Proper coating is essential to prevent corrosion. Pipes should be coated inside and out, with materials like bitumen-based coatings that meet BS 3416 or equivalent standards. These coatings act as a shield, protecting the metal from moisture and corrosion. To avoid corroded supports, always use corrosion-resistant fixings like stainless steel brackets, and ensure they are properly anchored into solid walls. This prevents structural failures and extends the life of the drainage system. Since November 1, 2004, all cast iron pipes must comply with these guidelines and be listed in the Schedule of Building Materials under NAPBAP 53 for building plan approval. This step is crucial for securing an occupation permit and ensuring long-term safety. For expert career guidance in building surveying, visit the Building Surveying Excellence Academy.